Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about how to withdraw from PayPal to GCash. What I like about this method of withdrawing your PayPal earnings or your PayPal money is that it's super quick. Your money reflects in the GCash app instantly compared to banks which take about 3 to 5 days. The quickest I know is 1 day, but nothing beats instant. So another thing I like about it is that I don't have to wait to have like was that 7,000 or 7,500 in my account before withdrawing because GCash does not charge a 50 peso fee for if you do not reach the minimum balance. So anyway, let's go talk about it now. Okay, open your app, click cash in, and then click remittance, then PayPal. Add the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure you choose the right amount. There's USD and PHP. Then confirm. Okay, just wait a little while. There you go. It's complete. Take a screenshot just so you have a record and you have the money right in your account. That's it. Super quick, super fast.